Having trouble opening JPG files on Windows 11? We've got 4 solutions to get you back on track. Open Explorer's window by clicking the taskbar button below. Click View to select the Show option. Select the File Name Extensions setting on the submenu. This should help solve the problem if this didn't do the trick. Let's proceed to the next solution. Click your taskbar's Start button and open the Settings app. Click on Apps and select Installed Apps. Scroll down to Microsoft Photos and click the 3-dot button for that app. Click Reset to clear app data for Photos. You can also try pressing the Repair button there as well. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Right-click the Windows button, then click the Windows Terminal Admin. Input the command below in the description and hit Enter. If this fix didn't get the job done, let's go ahead and explore the next solution. Type CMD within the Start menu search box, then to launch command prompt with elevated rights, click the Run as Administrator option for that search result. Type this command for a system file checker scan, and press Enter, SFC/Scano. Enter this command for a deployment image scan, and press Enter. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.